Today my topic is based on Internet of Things and wearable shoes. Like nowadays, mostly we have so many issues coming. Like the older age people, they'll be alone in the home or go outside. So if if they have any issues, so suddenly they can't go to the hospital or the ambulance or the emergency, they can't reach until the patients. So this is one of the uh, problem overcoming the wearable shoes. So I'm explaining about it. What is wearable shoes? So mostly in this IoT technology nowadays, uh, the user daily life is more comfortable than than the daily life whichever the persons is going. In this paper, I focused mainly about the very smart shoe technology of health fitness purpose. These physical devices are embedded with electronics and internet connectivity, like more like sensors. And this wearable smart shoe technology works with the help of IoT, consists of embedded features like electric devices, Arduino and GPRS devices. Mainly in the traditional way, doctors play a major role in a patient's life for necessary like diagnosis, the test and advise their need to visit the doctor. So mainly if the patient gets any problem, so if the patient keeps the device in the smart shoe, so the doctor will be knowing the every activity what the patient is having, and if any incident has been occurred in during the like past 3 or 6 months, so doctor will be knowing that whatever the situations the patient have. So this is the one of the best device, every patient can use this. So mainly we have some problems of this device, like internet of mainly this will be useful in the communication of internet, and it is used in IoT environment in all objects in our daily life. Heart rate is one of the fundamental physiologic limits essential for monitoring and diagnosis of patients. And to overcome these problems, we have solution: smart shoe with Zigbee wireless network with restricted scope of development as a new technology and requirement in wearable device. Like in the smart shoe, we should improvise the new IoT technology and integrate it into a smart shoe. And mainly the working of the system is like this wearable technology allows the to calculate the step count, calories, and how the physical activities is done by the patient using with the wearable shoe. The accelerometer is responsible to count the steps of the steps and daily exercises, how the patient is performing the daily activities and how active the patient is. So this accelerometer will be transmitted and sent to Arduino, all the information. This is the shoe device. This is
Can
the
you
shoe
make your
device.
slide bigger? It's too small to read.
Okay, Professor. Is this good, Professor?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the design where the smart shoe sole will be connected. So physioelectric device is placed in the smart shoe sole on the top of the on top of it. It will be pressed when the patient will be walking around, and the USB external port is connected in the bottom. So whoever is using this and the smart shoe technology can charge using the USB devices. And this is a GSM safety model, and the shoe is being connected to the right side to the Ordina, and the button is connected to the Ordina. So whenever the patient will be walking, the button will be pressed. If and the information will be sent. If anything happened to the patient, so immediately the button will be pressed, and the IMEI number will be sent to the GPS module. So it will be located in the Google Maps wherever the patient is located, and so the emergency will be going to the patient's place. In this country, mainly it is used in the large trade, and the wearable technology nowadays in the modern generation, it is used mainly. And for using this, we need to have the internet connectivity. In this It shows how helpful in today's modern generation in the wearable smart shoe technology, because the technology counts the steps, exercises, and how the fit person is. If the person is not using, so we have to encourage the patient uh, and ask to perform every activity so that patient will be active and he'll be fit. In this research, we use the following embedded systems like Arduino, GPRS, and Bluetooth and piezoelectric device. In the Arduino, it is an open source physical computing platform based on simple and development environment with a written language. Arduino is the system that reads the signals from the pulse and the sensors and creates the data packet to convert the signals into digital form. And we have a GPRS. It sends the message when tapped on the foot. When the foot will be on the right side of the corner. So if the patient have any emergency, the button will be pressed. So the GPRS will be detect the person wherever the patient is. And the Bluetooth user can access all the information in the smartphone using the smart shoe application, where immediately when the patient goes to the hospital, they can't even carry the reports or the files whatever the patients before problems. So this is the device where the doctor can access everything in the mobile phones of patients daily activity, and also they can check the patient's performance day by day. So this is the one of the example where the Asian Pacific and general Eastern Europe, Latin America, Middle East, and North America, Western Europe, year by year. So basically, this was started in 2015 and going on increasing to 2020. So in 2015, there were less people who use the wearable shoe technology, and day by day, it's going on increasing. It's a countrywide sale of a wearable device. And is the day-wise calorie count of the patient. It calculates the steps, calories, and the exercise how the patient is doing each and every day. So whenever the patient doesn't do, we'll be knowing, so we can contact the patient and motivate the patient to do the exercises daily so that he'll be fit and good. The challenges of this variable shoe is like mostly the monitor plans adopted by the patients. In most cases, the patient will start with a plan and give up in the middle. So we need to motivate the patient to continue through the plan workout to show the proper calculation of fitness ratio, which may contain the step count and display readings of the wearable device. We have some benefits of using this. So in IoT medical diagnostics device available in the market that help in monitoring the blood pressure, glucose level and pulse rate and other health parameters, where we can use the patient's all the other activities. We can diagnose the patient reports and everything. We can also configure mobile devices like Chambi in order to handle various use cases the elderly patient. We developed the application that integrates all these devices and provides a dashboard that displays the medical statistic of the patient, where we in the application we can see the all the other diagnosis reports and that are available, so it can be easily viewed by the doctor. The monitor patient conditions remotely and suggest appropriate medicines. So weekly the patients cannot go to the doctor, so patient he can open the application and check whatever the patient needs and medicine, so he will be updated to the patient like whatever the appropriate medicines the patient should be used. Data is secured, high rate and keep confidential. Doctor can view the consult reports of each individual patient without any time delays. Using the wearable technology, IoT, it work becomes easier and the following results and output is displayed much faster. So the patient will be having the proper medicines on time to time. So if the patient is not available, and also the doctor can report the patients individually without no time delay, which help the improved, this is the one results. Wearables with the help of improved technology has been developed greatly and considered reliable tools for long-term health fitness monitoring. These are applied in observation of large variety of health monitoring indicators like vital signs and fitness. And finally, the conclusion, the wearable device smart shoe technology is higher demand in the market where the number of features embedded in it. We have embedded features such as physioelectric devices, Arduino, and GPRS, where the fitness data can be calculated in large transmitted from hardware component to Android device. And in future, the multi-function smart shoe related applications can be created. Thank you. Anyone have questions?
I have a question. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Lakitha, what do they mention anything? I don't know if I missed it, or did they say anything about like security, like so people can't like you know, if the patient is out walking around or out in the house, so somebody can't like hack into this and get their data. Did they anything
it's like that? It's like secure and high confidential. No one can hack this, and patient will be wearing the smart shoe sole. So that is like only doctor can access that, and it's secure and confidential.